I'm gonna research when I get home, like dump valve versus blow off valve. What's the difference? Cause I want to make my turbo go instead of just. Burnout.
YouTube channel coming soon.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes! But it's your boy Boost King checking in with a video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. So I just want to say, you see this lawnmower here, like a Troy built. Start battery, need a new battery. And this actually is not safe. Huh. Like if this seat, I think the battery is dead. If this seat touch is positive, it's over with. But I think my dad was saying he needed a new lawnmower anyway. But the lawnmower is the fastest thing in the yard right now. My parents gone, so it's just the lawnmower and my 3 cars, which I actually gave my dad the Mustang. So I can't really keep claiming this car. So y'all, I got a video of me giving this BMW hell, y'all. I might whistle and diesel this BMW, because that's what I've been doing for like the past day or two. I'm right by the highway. I don't know if y'all can hear me over these cars. These cars just, the road noise is loud. But I was in this ditch yesterday, y'all, on the Beamer and the Juke, but I was driving through the ditch on the BMW, and the Beamer is way lower than the Nissan. I was gunning it, y'all, doing like 60. I knocked this here out doing donuts like a while ago, and we noticed this wire hanging, and also my headlights don't work, which I don't know if y'all can see that in there. I think that's my HIDs, cause this HID don't work. The brakes work, but this HID don't work. That HID do work. This bumper. All right, so we just clip that back in. So y'all, focus. I gotta make this quick too, y'all, cause my phone finna die. Well, I'm gonna plug it up and probably come back and get it, cause I'm finna put the blow off valve back on the Nissan. I probably won't trade it in no time soon. So I'm gonna just mod it again, put the turbo parts back on it, put my wheels back on it. So yeah, but with the BMW, I'm having title issues, y'all, so I can't really register this car. Thought the windshield was cracked. So what I kind of want to do is cut like the front clip of the car and turn it into a barbecue grill, y'all. So I may end up doing that. If I do go that route, I'm gonna take the rest of the car and probably put it in my bedroom. When I get my new house, I'm gonna put the body in my bedroom and turn it into a gaming system. Like I'm gonna take the windshield out, put a TV up in here, and I'll probably put some racing seats. This car need a little TLC. Turn this into a race console, y'all. Oh, see my phone already on 10%. I don't know if y'all seen that, but I'm gonna turn it into a race console. I don't know, like I'm so close to the Mustang. The blow off valve is right there. All right. So here's the blow off valve. I did not think I was gonna use it. All right, so the video stopped. It said my phone storage was too full. But I got the blow off valve here. This probably will be a short video. I'm not gonna do an installation video. I'm just finna show y'all what I'm doing. Like, y'all know what I'm doing. So now I'm finna install it on the Nissan. If I got what the parts I need, I think I do need a bolt. And I think the bolt I gave my cousin yesterday for his license plate, that was the bolt for my blow off valve, because one of them fit, and then like, yeah, because I remember keeping it in here. Don't talk about my toes, y'all. I should know this because I went to school for this stuff, and this is my car, and I already done worked on it, so I should know my car. So basically what I was saying, I figured out the bolts on here, one of them is factory, one of them is the bolt I needed, because the blow off valve, both factory bolts won't fit. I needed a smaller bolt. We have that. In order to install a blow-off valve, this is actually not a blow-off valve. I can't think of the name of this or what I actually got. That is actually not a blow-off valve, but when I cut the camera back on, I'll probably remember it. But to install that, you got to delete this hose. And this right there, you got to put it like a cap there. I don't have the cap, never bought the cap. I just stuck a pill bottle in here and closed it off. And I'll probably end up showing y'all all of that. It worked. I guess I can give y'all a rev so y'all can hear what it sounds like factory. We have the air intake on it. It need to be cleaned. So we have the air intake. You can hear the turbo a little bit, but let's see. My car, I need new carpets, y'all. Worst thing about being back home in the country is it's dirt over here. We got grass closer to the house, but where cars is in and out the yard, it's dirt, and not just get all in your car. All right, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not trying to blow my car up right now, not just yet. When I cut the camera back on, I have the blow-off valve installed, and it's not a blow-off valve. I gotta remember the name of it, and I think this factory, what I'm replacing, I think that is a wastegate. Let me get this installed before it get dark and before my phone dies, and I'll be back, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all, so we really haven't even got started. I was looking for a pill bottle. I found one, but it got some pills in it. I asked my mom if I can dump the pills out like in a Ziploc bag or something to label it so I can use the bottle, and y'all already know what she said. No. I'm about to go to the Dollar General and just buy some pills and dump them out just for this bottle. It has to be this little bottle. Listen though, I found this little piece here. This is what I needed to put my factory air intake back on, and I wanted to put this on before I moved to Texas, but I couldn't even I couldn't find this, and it was in the bag with my center caps to my STR rim. So I will be putting this back on another video, because by the time I make it back home, it'll be dark. And yeah, I don't know if I'll finish the video tonight or tomorrow, but I'm gonna definitely put the blow-off valve on tonight, and then I'll just pick the camera back up tomorrow. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Well, I'll see y'all in the afternoon, evening when I get off from work. This is a short rim intake. A cold air intake, it goes all the way down through here and into the bumper, and actually pulls in cold air from the outside into the engine bay. But this short rim intake, it just sucks in hot air. Yeah, I'm gonna put my factory air intake back on. I feel like it will give me more power. This just it took power away from my car. Also, my mass airflow sensor, I got an engine light because of the mass airflow sensor reading. So before I replaced the sensor, which has been like that since I was in Orlando for like a year, 2 years, since I had this intake, it started doing that. But I'm gonna put it back on the factory intake and see if the code will come back. If it don't, I will know it's just this intake. It was sponsored, so that's why I really got it. But I just want to see if my car have more power with the factory intake on, which I think it will, because it will be pulling in cool air. It look like the same size. I got the Dollar Store brand because I'm finna dump it out anyway. All right, y'all, it's the next day. I actually just got off from work. Well, technically I'm still at work, still on the clock, but I'm pretty much done for today. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the blow-off valve. What in the world scratched my bumper up right here? That scratched up, this right here, this. I wonder if that happened when I was trying to climb the mountain or climb that hill right in front of my car. I'm in front of the house, but I don't care. So the blow-off valve is installed. Ignore the pill bottle for at least right now. This actually isn't as loud as it was last night. At least it is when I open the hood. I should give y'all, whoop. My phone finna die, y'all. So this clamp isn't all the way down, so I'm actually replace these clamps and get the ones off the original hose. And somebody was asking about the big the big vacuum hose. last time I did a video on the blow off valve, he asked the question about 3 weeks ago. It's been like, it's been a long, the video is pretty old, but I seen the comment today, I think, or yesterday, and it was a 3 weeks old. I responded to him, and then if you're watching, bro, I just let you know now. I did tell you I was making another video on it. This vacuum hose, like I said in the comments, which I did say this earlier in the video too, but I haven't posted the video yet. Right down here where the vacuum hose connects to the intake, you want to put a cap down there. I don't know what cap, don't know where to find the cap, but if you can find it, that is great. If you can't, you just go get an ibuprofen bottle for like $1, dump the ibuprofen out, and just stick it in there and clamp it. So I may end up upgrading that. And actually, I found out that is not a blow-off valve, y'all. This is actually a dump valve. So I may end up getting a blow-off valve if it make the turbo go toot, but it just go whoosh. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it, and then I'm gonna make a short for video. I'm gonna a short for TikTok. Well, I really do Facebook shorts. Also, I do want to give y'all a ride by with the blow-off valve on. But I'm at work by myself. I can set y'all up some up. So with the saying I got 10% now, so my phone is dying pretty fast. It's actually hot. My phone is, it's pretty cool out here, but my phone is hot. It is a black phone. The sun is directly on it. So yeah, I just let y'all hear it real quick, and then if my cousin come over today, I'll probably have him record a short. So we'll see. Go ahead and let y'all see the dash. Not a cold start. My car is a little dirty. We got a lot of miles on this car. The engine light did not come from the blow-off valve. It's actually because of the air intake. And with the blow-off valve and the air intake on it, if I clear the engine light, it'll take a little while longer for the engine light to come on. But once I take the blow-off valve off and just leave the air intake on, the engine light come on pretty fast, y'all. I got like 2 more minutes till I go home. I guess I'll give y'all a little pull. One thing about this job is which I don't really have a manager. I guess I could say the leader or just the guy I report to. He told me I can make YouTube videos while I'm working. Just do whatever I want to, really, because I'm my own boss. At Rush, they just said I gotta make, if I want to make videos, it gotta be when I'm off the clock. But here they said I can make videos. Like, I've been sitting in my car, well, the work truck for a while, not really doing nothing. With the blow-off valve on here, it has been idling rough. When it's in gear, it tried to do it, but it didn't do it that bad. But when it's parked, it idles rough. Right now it's cool. It's probably acting cool because I got the camera on. Which it idles okay, and then out of nowhere, let me give y'all a little pull. I'm gonna put it in sport mode, and so we got the sport mode activated. It's not gonna be a hard pull, just something so y'all can hear the turbo. And I can't really shift while I give y'all the pull because I left the tripod in the BMW. So let's see what it up. And he want to pull off now. He been sitting there for a good minute, but as soon as I want to give y'all a pull, he want to pull off. I'm gonna do this and clock out, and I'm gonna hit the highway. So I do a little something. I don't know if y'all heard that. I can't go around this corner flying because some people come around this corner. A lot of people actually that don't even supposed to be back here. But I'll probably end the video, and then just one day I'll make another video of like me doing ride-bys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, comment on the video, and subscribe, because we are out. Peace. I'm trying to give y'all some revs, and I done threw it in reverse. See, it used to be louder than that. If I sit and rev it, it would be louder than that, but now it's not. So I think I need to order another dump valve, but I'm gonna research when I get home, like dump valve versus blow-off valve, what's the difference, because I want to make my turbo go instead of just. But peace, y'all. That's enough for me.